Hey everybody, my name is Andrea Burciaga and welcome back to my beauty room. So for those of you that are new, hello. Today's video is going to be very different compared to the ones that I did in the past, and if you see my channel, I deleted some. Yeah. The reason as to why that is because I no longer do modeling. I went into pageantry, and when you're in pageantry, yes, you can blog, it's possible. But here's two reasons why I decided not to do that anymore is because sometimes the events that I do require me to volunteer, so I really can't be with the phone and doing something. So no, and that sounds very bad and it gives a really bad image of yourself. And second of all is because sometimes these events that you attend can have some privacy. Yes, you can post 1 or 2 pictures. For example, when you go to pageants as a visiting queen, sometimes they don't allow you to record, or sometimes you can't be talking during the pageant, you know, so and so. So that's the reason why I no longer do behind the scenes videos. I no longer do photo shoots or any of that. I changed everything about my concept of the YouTube channel, so I am going to be focusing more on mainly on beauty and stuff like that. So yeah, so without any further ado, let's go back into the video. Alright, so I also changed my intro because I wanted something more simple. But for today's video, as you saw in the title, it's a cap highlighting at home thing because we're stuck in quarantine and I was really bored, but this is what happened. So I purchased my items at the beginning of April and I just barely received them, and quarantine here in Texas ends in like 3 days. So that sucks for me, but that's good because if I mess up my hair, I can just go to the salon and get it ready. So yeah, let me show you what I guys got. So here is what I purchased. Well, let me change. This is what I purchased, and it's from Sally Beauty, as you guys can see here. And I purchased a few items. So it's my highlighting cap, hair color kit, and the cap, and it just comes with like a little essentials here developer, so I mean it helps you with their stuff. Toner in case I really messed up my hair. Okay, it's like super whatever. Everything else I have on a separate order because Sally's does not really ship things that are chemical. So yeah, before I get into this video, and it's more possibly that I am going to mess up, I just want to advise you all that I'm not a professional, so by any means, if you follow my instructions, it's on your end. I am not going to be giving detailed instructions, but I am going to be telling like what I'm doing, of course, and the supplies that I'm using. How I said, I am going to link them in the description. If I'm not a professional, I don't attempt to be a professional, and of course I'm not educating or pursuing you to do your hair on your own. If you're more comfortable with going into a hairstylist, that's perfectly fine. I already kind of know what to do because my hair has been through a lot. My hair has been through a lot of hairstylists, through a lot of salons, through a lot of treatments. So I kind of know what to do, and like a little few tips that I was given by some of these hairstylists. So if you decide to do this on your own, how I said, it's on your end. Good luck, because I am more likely to mess up. So yeah, right now I am going to be just brushing my hair. I'm not going to be adding any products to prep my hair because I don't have any, and Sally's is sold out, as we can tell, and we can't go shopping at the moment. So I'm just going to brush my hair and start with this thing. So yeah, before I put the cap on, I am going to do a line in the middle of my hair because I like, well, personally, when they do my highlights, I like that my highlights show in the middle in case I do want to wear my hair parted middle. And that way when I don't wear it to the side, it doesn't look odd or anything. So I am going to be parting it to the middle with my little comb. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing, and then I am going to be applying the hat. Okay, so this is the cap right here. It has little holes, so pretty much it's, I mean, common sense. You're gonna put it on and pull off the hairs with this little, like, I guess like spoolie that comes out with it. And yeah, I don't know, I say it's common sense to just put it on, and it's pretty, I mean, you are gonna look funny, don't expect anything else, but yeah, that's why you have to brush your hair through, because when you pull out the little hairs, I mean, you're more likely to get your hair tangled. So yeah, I'm gonna take this off to make things. And for some reason I thought that it was like small. My mom told me it was supposed to be tight for the head. My mom used to kind of do this, so she kind of knows has an idea. And then I am going to be using the little thing that it comes with, so I can pull off the little hairs. And of what I understood from some of the videos that I saw is that the small holes is where you're gonna get a little bit of hair, and the one with the bigger circles is gonna be where you pull out a big chunk. Now I am not gonna be doing that because I just don't want to see the thick piece of highlight, so I'm going to be doing it all at the same time, just kind of getting a small little piece of hair. That way it looks like soft highlights and not like really like sharp ones. So yeah, now I'm just gonna be time-lapsing of me pulling out the hairs because I don't think you guys are gonna want to see like 30 minutes of that. So yeah. All right, so I already like put it. My mom helped me do like the back part and everything. So now I am going to be applying the product all over the part that it's pulled out, and the one that's not, I'm just gonna push it all the way. So now I might have done it wrong, or more likely I did it wrong. So before I even pulled the hairs and everything, before I applied the cap, I did the mixture, and my mom told me that if it's supposedly, it's if it goes like foam, it doesn't work anymore. So guess what, people? The mixture went foam on me. So I'm still gonna apply it, but I'm just gonna leave it on like very I'm gonna leave it for less time in case my hair does like go wrong. So yeah. Alright, so I have applied the whole product on my hair, so there you have it. Now this just gotta wait, and then I'll put the toner on. Here's an update of how my hair is looking. Like, it's already bleaching. It's only been 13 minutes, I believe, and it says that you're supposed to do it for 20, but I don't want my hair to be orangey. I don't want my hair to be orange, so I will be taking it out any minute soon, and then I'll be applying this, sorry, my nails are like disgusting, this toner. Those the lightest beige blonde. I didn't want to choose anything that was like grayish or anything. I wanted something beige, something like dirty blonde, but I didn't want too dark. I wanted like lighter, so this one's a T11 shade, and okay, I'm sorry guys, it's not focusing. So yeah, my hair is already starting to bleach, and as you can see, this is the hair that I currently had, so it's kind of the same thing. It's just gonna be a little bit lighter, which I am totally fine with. I don't want to go full blonde or anything. I just wanted to do like a retouch or something. I did see people use this type of products as well, like my past hairstylist that did my highlights, she used the same product, so I was so comfortable knowing that this product has been in my hair before, probably like 3 times when I was like blonde. So yeah, it's funny. I kind of look funny. I think I am going to add toner on my eyebrows a little bit, maybe. I don't know, I'm not sure, because I'll have to take out my makeup. If not, I'll just save a little bit of toner and add it later. That way I can do, because I don't like to bleach eyebrows. I think that's so messed up when they do it. Like, I know you're trying to match your eyebrows, but no, that's just a total no for me. I already rinsed out the bleach part, and my hair looks a little bit reddish, kind of like the hair I already had. But I see how, like, why is it this color, because I already have my hair pre-colored and everything, so that's good. Right now I'm just gonna apply the toner, maybe gives it a different color, maybe, I'm not sure, and then I'll rinse it off and style it for you guys. That way you guys can see my final look of today's experiment. Already applied the toner, and it looks like it leaves a lot of stains. I don't know if you guys can see, but I mean, I'm just gonna let it rest for about, I think it's up to 30 minutes, I'm not sure, but as long as I see like it's changing or something, I'll just take it off and give you guys an update. But here it is. I have a big feeling this is gonna come out really bad, so I don't have high expectations, guys. Okay, so I've already applied the toner, rinsed it off. I'm going to be taking off this because I don't know, guys, I don't want to see this. It's finally to review my ugly hair. This is the final. Okay, I need to brush it off, but this is how it looks. I mean, no, I'm not even liking it. Like, it's not even good. But this is pretty much it. I'm gonna brush it off, and then I'm gonna blow dry it and just look. I mean, there's a reason why they say not to do it at home. But we'll see. We'll see in a bit. Okay, so there could have been many reasons as to why my hair came out like this. It's super tangled, guys. Like, the second I took off the cap, it was bad. Sorry, I put a lot of I did put the purple shampoo. I sometimes wear it, sometimes don't, unless I see my hair already turning like super gray, then I won't put it for like weeks. But I did apply it today, and I don't like the sharp edges. But if I go like this, they won't see, right? It's kind of like it looks like I didn't do anything. I just did this part, but I feel like the reason why it ended up like this is because, one, the bleach, I let it sit for too long, so it did like a foam. And two, I didn't let the bleach process, because I had the bleach on for like 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and I felt like that was too long. Normally when I go to the salon, the bleach doesn't take that long, but then once again, I'm not a professional. So, I mean, that's the only reason why I feel like my hair didn't, oh my god, it's so tangled, why it didn't turn out the way it did, or how I was expecting. I don't like this part. It looks super bad. So I'll just wait until people open, and I'll text my girl. I'll text the hairstylist that always does my hair. So she'll probably be like, what the fuck did you do? I'm gonna blow dry it to see how it looks blow dry, because I don't like how it looks good. Alright, so here's the final look of my hair. Okay, so yes, it's like super bad from the top. Like, I have highlights here, but I don't have all the way here. But I like the hair in the bottom, kind of. But I don't like that it's too yellow. So I was thinking, if I continue using the purple shampoo for like a week or so, the yellow will go away, which is pretty awkward because that's what always happens when I get my hair done. But the top, it's like, no. And if I try to like brush it down, I mean, it's still, I look like a lion, so there's no way I could possibly go like to work or like stuff like this. So I am gonna be continue using the purple shampoo for like a week or so until salons open again. So that's it, that's my plan. But this hair, I do like the hairs from here, like, because this is some of the hair that I had from my previous hair color. It's some of the hair color, I mean, it's all in different shapes, so I like it, but I don't like the top. So I'll keep you guys updated of how my hair is within the week of me using the purple shampoo and purple shampoo conditioner, of course, and then I will be in my Instagram. So yeah, this is the end of my video. I'm trying to like you guys, but I don't. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. My hair, my routine. Please don't follow my steps. Please don't buy the items that I bought, because you might mess up your hair like I did. So yeah, so leave in the comments how you liked it. You guys, okay, if you have a funny comment, like, put it, I don't care. So, or if you have like tips of how, if like you did this by yourself one day and like it went away, like, put it there. I will more likely be more than glad to follow your routine or follow your advice. So yeah, that's pretty much it. From the back, it looks like I have nothing. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't like it, and make sure to subscribe. I'm not gonna be posting videos because I don't have nothing else to do for quarantine. It's gonna be over, so we're back to routine: work, house, work, house, work, house, work, house. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. How I said, subscribe if you liked it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put it somewhere here. I'm not sure where it's gonna be. And yes, thank you so much for watching. And don't follow my steps. Please don't do the same mistakes that I do. So yeah, bye.